How's it going, everyone? Today we are going to talk about expense submissions, which is super boring for many people, but I'm pretty excited because finally we don't have to do boring stuff anymore. You can just like talk to Codex or Cloud to submit your expenses receipts and then get reimbursed pretty easily. So now let's start diving in. All the processes are written in here, and then just like follow along. That's what you do. So like in this video, I'm going to just kind of demo like how it works. First, like you need to like connect Codex to Sanka, which is pretty easy. It's the process is like written up in here. So please take a look. After that, you just like open Codex and then like ask to submit your receipt, right? So can you submit these two receipts? And then like I have a one from Depot, one from NG Rock. These two things I just like submit, upload to Codex, and then can you submit these two receipts as it is and like make sure it's these are connected to company records or something like that. What it's doing is like actually like a Sanka. Well, like first like a Codex will use its AI to parse this PDF into text and then pass it to like a Sanka, and then Sanka will figure out is this expense submittable, can be approved based on the approval rule that the company can set on Sanka side, and then if everything is clean, it will register these records to the database. And then while doing that, like you can just kind of do submitters can just kind of do like whatever they want, and then like reviewers will see those expense requests later on, and so on and so forth. So let's just give them a bit of weight. Let's see the expense skills API. Yeah, MCP found company records. So what's going on during this process is so Sanka itself has a this dashboard or it's like software that you can just kind of review all the items, companies, and expenses and all the stuff. So once you log in, like it looks like this, and then contact, and then like you see like company. Oh, it's already created like NG Rock Depot. It's purely from the PDF. It just auto detect company address and all other stuff like email even. And then after that, let's go to like expense. It's not created yet, but I think like it will be. Yeah, it's kind of running steadily. And then what's interesting is like also you can check like logs, like for instance like list expenses and then get expense and so on and so forth, meaning that you can log every actions like MCP sort of like a Codex usage, so that if AI can just kind of do random stuff, like you can just like block them, or you can set specific role for specific employees. So for instance, like one employee can just can do X, and then like the other manager can do Y, and then CEO can do Z, and so on and so forth. So it has like a very granular level of permission controls, so that you can like let your employees and teams freely use the power of Codex and Cloud. Is it like still? Oh yeah, it is like creating. Sync work really nice. So usually like so it takes like 2-3 minutes. Like usually like I'd go to I just can do like other stuff like I don't know, like sales calls and like writing up like emails and like just kind of other stuff. Because I wanted to just like go through with you guys, but usually I just can do. But like it takes like 2-3 minutes. So yeah, it's kind of 3 minutes so far. And then the expenses that I created. Sanka is like a full back of suite, so it can link up to like a payrolls, journal entries, and then also like banking information and like other critical information, and export it to like ERP and then like other accounting tools and so on and so forth. So definitely recommend if you're using Codex or Cloud day-to-day basis, and then automate every back office process. So I hope like this tutorial was like helpful. If you have any questions, as always, like reach out to us. Looking forward to working with you. Thank you. Bye.